So here we have it. Now that I'm actually, accepted it. It's a 2015 Mustang GT. It looks pretty good. I mean, the front damage isn't that excessive. I mean, we're actually gonna have to wait to actually look at it in person. And that's another thing, I didn't even look at this car in person. This is bad. I mean, seeing all that stuff on the floor is bad. But the rear end is where I'm kind of looking at it, and this is obviously where the main impact is. And we're gonna go ahead and have to wait to take a look at it. But I did win it for under $6,000. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and actually have all the paperwork here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bank and do the wire transfer, and actually have to pay an extra $500 because it is from Sacramento, and they're gonna go ahead and ship it to me for $500. So let's go ahead and go to the bank and let's all get this solved up. Alright, what's up guys? So now I'm outside the bank. Got the paperwork all right here, all set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into ECU. I'm just in the back parking lot. So let's go ahead and get this all sorted out. Just gotta do a wire transfer. So let's see, ECU, hook me up. Alright, what's up guys? So everything worked out okay with the bank. I got the car shipped, paid for the shipping, which is a separate fee. It was about $500 from Sacramento to my house, so it's not really that bad, it's not that crazy, but unfortunately I'm not there to actually sign off for the car. I'm actually in Vegas right now for my 21st birthday, but my brother did stay back, so he was actually able to sign off for me. That's your first, actually view of the car outside my house. So I will get back to you guys when we're actually back at my house, and I can actually give you guys a real walk around, which is gonna be 3 days for me, but for you guys it's only gonna be like 5 seconds. So I'll see you guys there. Alright, what's up guys? So we're just pulling in back from Vegas, and my brother's already over here looking at it. And first things first, we have to unpack everything, but I'm dying to see this car. I have not seen it in person yet, so we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so this is the first time I'm actually looking at it, and we got our work cut out for us. But you know what? I am highly motivated. This is actually the frame right here. It looks like it's gonna have to be pulled out and tweaked just a little bit, but it's actually not too bad at all. But the front isn't where the damage really is, as you guys saw in the pictures. The damage is actually over here in the rear. But again, you know what? I'm actually looking at it, and it's actually, it looks doable. I'll say that. It looks doable because all this can actually be pulled out for the most part. Jordan is gonna be my guy. He's the one that I'm gonna have working on a lot of this, but because he's going to school for auto body, so he's actually getting the experience with this vehicle. That's kind of why we really are both motivated to do this. He can get his experience. So this is actually shattered, and check that out. I left that in there for us. It's actually really thankful. Looks like we even have a little microfiber towel in here. Thanks. So we got airbags deployed. Interior is just dirty, as far as, looks like there's a cat that got in from the rear with the window being shattered. This is a manual transmission, and we do have airbags deployed. Obviously we have the Recaro seats. This is the premium GT, so it does come with a lot of the extra stuff. And again, this actually doesn't look like it was tweaked at all. You can see the exhaust, the piece of the exhaust hanging down there. But this is our first look. Like I said, I'm highly motivated to get started on this build. I'm gonna have Jordan and Andrew come by and hopefully check it out too as well. So I'll get back to you once they get here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So Jordan's here. This is his first time looking at it. What are you thinking, Jordan?
It's bad.
It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. It wasn't pushed back or anything. We just checked the oil. Oil looks pretty clean. So I mean, fingers crossed. I mean, how much I got this for? The engine's right there. It's all right there.
Have you tried starting it up?
Nah, I can't do. The battery's dead, but I'm gonna get a battery charger. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. Probably be charging overnight. But we have a small one here. But other than that, I mean, airbags deployed. This door, it looks like it was tweaked a little bit. Looks like you can see right here the gaps. Looks like it was pushed. But that's, yeah, that's an easy fix. So yeah, that or buy a whole rear end to it.
Yeah, that sounds
But, or the other thing is just buy another Mustang.
They come with the sound?
Huh?
They come with the sound?
Yeah. We popped it open. There's a paintball mask in here. You have a, I don't know, looks like some clothes in here, to be honest. Car cover. Nah, dude, you couldn't pop this open. Me and Abram just forced it. It was all tied up, like we just forced it, honestly. Yeah, just careful. No, not that. Just careful for as far as the airbags.
Well, they're not gonna deploy no more.
No, they're not gonna deploy because the battery's dead, but staying careful because all the airbags are hanging. Can't even look in there right now.
The interior is pretty clean.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's actually not bad. I was actually wiping it off. A lot of it just flies off.
This is Instagram.
I know. I tried looking it up, but I'm not gonna show that. I'm not gonna show that. I couldn't find it. Yeah, it looks like he might change his name or something.
Yeah, after this.
Mustangs be Mustangs, I guess.
Came with the free microfiber towel.
Yeah, as I said too. I looked at the microfiber towel.
Okay.
Flowmaster exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see that, bro.
Okay, I want to know is how didn't the
Driver's side airbag.
I want to say because there wasn't enough damage to the front. Although it looks really bad, it doesn't look like it was enough to actually activate the driver airbag. Huh? For the Ricardos?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying too, bro. The Ricardos alone, making up that money. Yeah, I haven't even showed them yet. Let's see in here.
Yeah, that's really cool. The Ricardos.
Man, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun. I got the shop. I just need to be able. We have to go clean out the shop and be able to get it pull over there. Got a shop. We're gonna get a lift, hopefully, soon.
$3,000.
The red, probably, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
That's something they wouldn't pick up. That's something they would just like sweep up and just throw it away, or sweep off on the road. It's a lot of work, huh? You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking because the battery's dead, because these are automated like all the newer cars, how they slide down every time you close it. The battery's dead, so that's why it's like this. I'm thinking there might not even be any damage, like I was thinking earlier, but we'll have to let the battery charge to find out at the end.
No, I think it is. It's not damaged.
It doesn't, yeah, it doesn't look, because the gaps, they don't look, it's just right here.
Look at, you hear how it breaks out? It's
Yeah.
moving right there.
Right here? Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, it just has to be moved.
You're not gonna close it because of the window.
What the hell? So it doesn't close all the way?
Oh, it doesn't close all the way because the window doesn't go down. Just start slamming the window.
You know how to.
The other side.
Well, I mean, the tire, bro.
Oh yeah, I know. It's a tire.
I mean, like, it's just on its rim at this point. It's gonna sit lower, but like I said, I mean, I want to go with the idea that it was a freeway accident.
A little bit.
Yeah, I was looking at that already.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pull
The headlamp.
So.
There's just no headlights. I don't know if they just strip them or what happened to them.
So first
They're
project
probably
probably just stripping it, huh? Like,
But even if there's broken, they're supposed to just throw it in the car and leave it for us to, for whoever gets it has them. I don't know if they just like, this is still good, I'm gonna just pull it off real quick. But luckily luckily they left the shift knob. So one of the things they always do is they always take the shift knobs off.
so that's probably gonna be yeah, I would just say this one.
Well, first things first, everything's getting stripped. Everything, even the stuff that's not damaged, is getting stripped off so we know, so we can see what's underneath. That looks like it's gonna need a tiny bit of body work though.
Yeah, it will.
Like it could just, that seems like we could just roll that out.
Give me a hammer and I'll
Just knock it back out.
No, knock this in because it's out right here.
It's out and this one's pushed in.
Yeah.
Like it kind of crinkled.
And then, like you said, cut off the whole back part
Yeah.
from. Definitely doable. It's gonna take time.
A lot of time. A lot more once we get into it and pull everything apart. Alright guys, so I'm back in my room right now, and as you guys saw, the ending verdict was it's doable. Me, Andrew, and Jordan, all three of us agreed that it's going to be doable. It's going to be fun, it's going to take a lot of work, and I expected that. I wanted a lot of work. I want to be able to have a lot of content for you guys, and it's going to be fun. Like honestly, three of us hanging out at the shop and doing everything is going to be fun. Now, that's the other thing, is I still need to get the shop cleaned up to actually be able to transfer it over there. So that's gonna be first thing to do, is actually be able to get it to run. Now I did check the engine. Like I said, the engine it wasn't shifted at all, and nothing like that was moved. So luckily the engine should be good, and those for you know, that engine alone makes up for the price of the car. So if that engine's gone, the car's gone. If the engine's good, then you know what I mean, we can actually take a hit. So it wouldn't be that bad. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get some homework done because I was in Vegas all week. So without further ado, peace out guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell because this is gonna be some fun, crazy content. So I feel some collabs coming. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.